This project supports the native flora and fauna to help keep Fairfax County the beautiful and healthy place that it is to live, to work, and to play.
So we're outside the Fairfax County Government Center, and it's pretty cool because we're taking an area that was lawn, been a lawn for decades. So now what we're doing is we're taking this lawn and converting it back to a meadow that will help filter and clean the water before it gets to the streams. So we're in phase 2 now, and phase 2 is to put on the nice plants along the edge to give color and structure in the first year. And now all these volunteers are here today planting a bunch of plants that were propagated locally from native seed, and we're putting those in the ground to spring up this year and provide that nice color and structure that will really sell the meadow to people. So we have a total of 2,000 plants for the 2 work days. These guys are moving really fast. So they're probably going to put in today at least 1,500 plants. What's really cool is our timing and the rain we've been getting. They're both really good. So we're getting these plants in the ground here in early May. So by June, some of these plants will be blooming. And so we're going to have a really rapid return on the investment these volunteers are making by getting plants up and flowering as early as June. Some of them will be more fall bloomers. So through the season, starting in June through September and October, we'll actually be seeing these plants come up and bloom and the grasses start to take shape. We are so thrilled to have the opportunity to do this at the Government Center, where we can do this in a space that clearly is very public, but it also is everybody's space, you know? And I think the other example we're setting is that if you can do this here, if we can get acceptance right in the middle of Fairfax County, where we've got this really auspicious building and the big lawn and everything else, you can do it anywhere. You really can, you know? So this should be part of our new norm.